finally gonna get to show you guys the things that I bought at Burlington. These are all the things I'm gonna be showing you guys today. I am so excited. Tell my husband, do not let him see this video. What's up, Glam Squad? This is your girl Dalu. Hey, I am so excited. I'm finally gonna get to show you guys the things that I bought at Burlington. I know I have been talking about it forever. Finally, we're gonna get to see them. I am so excited about that. If you are new to this channel, we are glad to have you. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. Here we are all about creating beautiful, glam, and happy home. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload a new video. I upload new video minimum twice a week. So please subscribe. Our goal is to get to 500 subscribers in the next month or so. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, I did pick up a little something for you guys. So stay tuned at the end of the video to find out what is it and the information that you're going to need to get your points. Let me tell you guys, when I first walked in at the store, the first thing that I saw was these little cute babies. Look at the shine, look at the glam. You're so cute. And I was like, oh my God, how much they're going to cost? I was so delighted to find out, guess what? $8. $8 for that? Of course I'm gonna get two. You can do so much with them. My last table escape, I had used them. They're gonna be in a lot of my videos, so please, if you wanna see how I use them, you're gonna have to tune in. Ooh, I love this one. I do. I love it, I love it, I love it so much. It's very playful. I may have to do something with the outer side of it to make it as bling as the inside, but come on you guys, come on. How much was this one? $10. I love decorative tray. I have a tray for my bed, but I think this would be much nicer. Small for a little drink or a little for maybe marble pillows. Look. This is so beautiful. It's so pretty. Every single day I got at the store, I got them all. Unfortunately, they only had 2 sets, so I got both sets and they were $17.99. It is so pretty, and I think it has a zipper. Oh yeah, it has a zipper. They are by BB, guys. But remember BB with that clothing company? They used to sell really nice stuff. A little bit sexier than I would like sometimes. This color is one of my favorite color of all time. Look how good it looks with me. I love it. So I don't think there was anything in the world that would be able to stop me from buying this color. They are by Catherine Malandrino. Same thing for this one. I look at them together. You see how beautiful, how they reflect together. These are $20 for these velvet. Flowers. I love this little flower, so cute. This is going to be by my sink area. This flower was $16.99. Next thing that I got was this one. It's aluminum. I know it's gonna last me for a long time. This one was $15. I also got this other bit. I got 2 of them, but one has broken, so I only have one left. I don't know whether if I'm going to return it to get another pair or what I'm going to do, but this one, $8, guys. I got this set of flowers for $8. And how many was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 roses for $8. Even when you go to your local dollar store, you don't get that, and the quality is not even as good as this one. So yeah. Oh my goodness. I got 2 of them. You know I love my blings. Anything shiny, your girl likes. You see that? And these 2 were very affordable. I think it was 2 for $32. I also got this set of 4 placemats. They were $9.99. Smells so good. I wish you guys could be here so you can smell it with me as well. This is by Nanette Lepoux. Oh my goodness, I think I'm falling in love with her. Look at the design on that candle. I just like the blue and how decorative and how shiny and fancy and how expensive this one looks. When I have beautiful container like that for my candles, after I'm done using them, guess what I do? I keep them. So when I have cheaper candles that do not look so good, put them inside and they look nice. And these are mostly decorative candles, so we're not gonna use them often. Other candles that I got, this one from BB. BB is like trending so much at Burlington. It's ridiculous. California, still, I used to love BB. Now I'm so happy they're focusing on household stuff. I love it and so affordable at Burlington. This one was $8. This cute makeup brushes, makeup container. It was about time that I got something like that, but so pretty. See that? I'm telling you, Nana Clip 4 is my girl. And this one, little sign that says home, $8. Fresh scents, they smell so good, so good. $5. That's what this one was a little bit more expensive than Macy's Backstage. Because usually I buy them at $3.99 at Macy's Backstage. Okay. Soap and sponge tray for my kitchen. Yeah, I've been wanting to buy one of these for a very long time. And let me show you guys one more thing. Bang, 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 baby. Look at this one. Ooh, look at that. I love this. Last time I saw something similar at Z Gallery, it was for $75 and I needed to get two. It was going to be $150. And when I saw this one for $25, I had to get it. Come on, $25 for that? It is so heavy, so heavy. Looks very expensive. And this is timeless. There you go. I got two of them. So much bling. Love it. Love it. All right, the moment we all have been waiting for. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! There you go, guys. So I have decided to buy you guys this. There you go. This is just for you. I said my first giveaway has to be something glam, and nothing says glam than crystal. So yes, guys, this is for you. It's two of them. Each one of them costs $19.99, so that's a value of $40 that I handpicked for you guys. If you put one of these on the table, it's like bam, bam, bam. Everything changes. It's like it takes the looks from down there to up there, my famous sentence, so fast. However, I could not make up my mind on what I wanted to get for you guys. So I got this. $10 as well. Very beautiful and good quality. Let me bring it closer so you can see it. Now you're not gonna get both, so you can either have this one or these two. How are we gonna know which one? You're gonna go down on the comment section below and then you're going to say which one you prefer. This is glass vase. That's how you're gonna call them. We're gonna call them ivory glass vase. This one is called crystal vase. So if you want the crystal vases, you're gonna go down and say crystal, you put down crystal vase. If you prefer the glass vase, we're gonna put down on the comment section glass vase, because we're not gonna give both of them away. We're only gonna give one set of glass of vases away. This is my way of saying thank you to you guys. I am so grateful and so happy right now. We are over 200 subscribers. Once you're done putting your comment, you're gonna go on the description box. There is a link there, so you're gonna click on the link so you can enter your information for me to contact you once you become a winner. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to enter comment for me, because I know I have some of my viewers who said to me that they were not able to put comment. Okay guys, when you're using a laptop, the comment box will be right under the video. So this is the video. You just have to scroll down a bit for you to be able to write the comment. Click on where it says add a public comment and you can start typing whatever you want, something like I love your video. Once you are done, you hit the blue comment button on your screen or enter on your keyboard. That's about it. When watching on your cell phone, that's when it's a little bit more challenging. So basically the video is playing on top of your screen, so you have to scroll down all the way past all the videos for you to be able to find the comment section all the way at the bottom of your screen. Once you are done typing something fabulous, you can either hit the blue arrow on the comment section or the send button on your phone. I hope this was helpful to you. Guys, the giveaway is going to last only 30 days. On April 14, we are going to announce the winner. Good luck! If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It was so much fun showing you guys what I bought. Our goal is to get to 500 subscribers in the next month or so. We cannot do it without you. Please, please, please subscribe. It will mean the world to us. Join that Glam Squad community and hit the notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload another fabulous home decor video. You gotta believe, right? So what I'm going to do with these things, we're gonna give this room a little makeover. It's gonna be a mini makeover. I can't wait to see how that one is gonna turn out. I'm so excited about that. Stay tuned for that. On your screen right now, you're looking at some videos that I think that you might be interested in. Please feel free to check them out. And I look forward to seeing you on